Assalamualaikum, and the name of Allah is most mighty and most merciful. So in this video we are going to create an animated button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start our video by creating a new folder. So the new folder name will be animated buttons. I will name it and I will open it with my code editor, that is going to be VS Code, and I will on one and close other one. I will wait. I will close the last one too. We will wait and I will open it again. I will close these all and it's open. Now first of all I will create a new file. I will close the welcome pages. I will write a index.html and write the doc type first of all and have the name animated button 1, and I will have a button dot begin and for me. I write for me and write in the style, and first of all I will write a button padding 10 pixels, padding 10 pixels, font size 20 pixels, color black, index 1, font family sans serif, and I will go live. And there will be more things like border radius 10 pixels like this and border none. So first button is going to be an hover button. If I do background black, or we can say white or red. If the button is red, so what will I do? I will have an hover property. How will I do? I will come here, I write here button, after content will be, if the content is A, so they will go and A. I will come down, I will do content black, position absolute, and height 20 pixels, width 20 pixels, background sky blue like this, and that will be left of 10 pixels or like 1 pixels, width 9, 8, and increase the height to 30 and top 10, and have border radius 10 pixels. I will come here and leave this as, come here, let's look like this. I will do width 20 pixels, full, and top will be like 9, 7, this, and height will be more like 40 and 43, 44 like this, and the zoom index -1. And if I finish the background, will be transparent. Okay, it's look like this. Now what will be happen? If there is no width, how will it look like? It look like this, and there will be a border, 1 pixel solid black like this. So I will add a transition all 90.10 milliseconds, and I will add button over after there will be the width of 100 pixels. And I have a transition. It's like if I add like 1 second, let's have like 1 second is in out, and there will be is in out. And if I add here in the button and put it here like this, and we add all 1 second, so do with 10, 50, 100. So I come here and create a add keyframes. Wait, so I add overflow hidden like this. I will add here like a and 0% add the width of 0 and 100% the width will be 100 like this. Now what will I do? I finish this and add a animation. Name will be like a, duration will be of like 1 second, and timing function will be linear, and they will be infinite, and item. And then what will I do? I need a transition. Transition 1 second. On. If I finish it and do width 100 like this. Width first animated button is like this. So that was my whole video. So thank you for watching my videos. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I am making the next video with my new friend. So take care and Allah.